Hi, I'm Kristal and I've been a customer of Austin Diamond Room since 2012. And I feel like I am just aging myself right now. But I've been with them for so long because they really make me feel special. And I'm not a huge jewelry wearer. And when I look for jewelry and my pieces have been custom made, it's great because Matt and the team will sit down with me and discuss what I want this jewelry to say. It's an extension of me and an extension of my values. And so the pieces should be special. The most recent purchase that I did, I actually took some old pieces of jewelry that had a negative connotation to them. And it was something where instead of just being angry seeing them in my jewelry box, I could say, let me repurpose this for something that is special to me. So I took 2 old rings and a pair of old earrings and spent probably way too much time with Matt, just really saying, okay, what do we want it to look like? What do we want it to convey? How can I feel special wearing this? And so plenty of time, and it was a very easy process, and they sent me the designs afterward. We made a few more changes and then finally got the final design. Could not be happier. I get a ton of compliments on it. I don't know if you can kind of see it here. And now it's something that I love to wear. It's something that when people do ask me about it, it's something more memorable and it has a great experience now attached to it. And Matt and the team helped me do that. I could not have done it myself. My first purchase that I got from them was actually my husband's wedding ring, my ex-husband's wedding ring. And even that was just something that was supposed to be very unique and special, and it was, and it is. My husband at the time had wanted his grandfather's ring, and after trying forever to track it down, it turns out that his grandmother had sent it off to a pawn shop and it ended up at a smoldering yard. So I sat down with Matt and I was like, what do we do? So we got to design a ring as close as I could get it to his grandfather's ring. And so when I was able to give that to my husband, it was something that was more special, right? It wasn't the exact ring, but it replicated and said something about the effort and the love that went into it. And so he was also super proud of that and just a great process. Probably spent way too much time with them. Pretty sure we've had like a glass of wine as we're trying to design, but Matt and the team never make you feel rushed. And I think that's what's really special about it is your special piece is their special piece of jewelry as well. So highly recommend Austin Diamond Room.